Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is another great idea from my good friends at Suttle-Straus in Waunakee, Wisconsin. This is a piece that they produced for their team. This is for their very special annual awards night that they do. And I think you're going to love this. This was designed and produced entirely in-house by their team. They also, by the way, produced a video about how it all came together. So that link is in the email and it's really worth taking a look at. So mailed in Nina Astor Bright's Vulcan Green, which I thought was cool. It just stands out in the mail. This is a variation on a sleeve mailer, and I think you're really going to like this. I love all the things you can do with sleeve mailers. I love the sliding effect. This one has a reveal window, and it's got people, kind of an audience, and it's got curtains, and you've got little pull tabs here, and so you pull them out side to side here. And they stop, and you see Suttle-Straus Awards Night 2019 in neon. It's got a little microphone and a brick wall. It's really cool. And then these panels open out left and right. And so individually, they're just single folds, but together they create the effect of a gatefold. And this panel is actually a response card with a micro perf. So you tear that off. Just really cool. This is also printed only in 3 colors, black plus 2 PMS colors, so just very efficient on a lot of levels. So these, of course, fold back in and slide back in. And so, of course, they gave me one to take apart, which I always appreciate. I want you guys to see this because it's kind of a classic sleeve mailer format, but then it's got these little trick panels that are great. So here you go, flaps all the way around. This is 80-pound accent opaque cover across the board. These are die score, tape, and assemble. So you can see here that it's kind of a classic sleeve mailer format. However, the trick is here. So these panels have a single fold, and they have a little flap right here, and then the flap right here. So this one folds in this direction, the other one in the other direction, and so when they slide, they catch, and that's how they stop the panels from coming out completely. So I really like that. So that goes in both directions. So just otherwise, you know, pretty standard, but just a great idea, great way to modify and interact with a sleeve mailer. They did about 500 of these, so I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Sleeve mailer with sliding gate panels. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for fold samples, style lines, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.